Oh yeah, that was good. That's the sound of prop hitting a bunch of crap. Do a nice low, slow. There we go, going in. That was beautiful, wasn't it? Can you get the whole thing?
Whoa.
Oh!
What?
That was awesome!
Oh, I didn't even get it.
Oh. Oh, geez, I'm low powering it. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
That beautiful, just nice implement roll. There we go. Whoa, full power down.
Oh, we got low battery. Shoot.
Oh, crap. Is it saying it?
What?
Is it saying low battery?
Yeah, it's blinking low battery. That's really not good.
Oh!
Dude, we're gonna have to get a good landing in here really quick, because it's gonna go out on me like any minute.
Alright, so we're gonna get a new one?
No, probably.
Oh! Did you get that?
I got like some of that.
Alright, here, want to do a landing?
You bring it in, yeah, we should probably, you better hurry.
Oh, one more flyby.
Nope, I'm out of battery like any second.
Did you get that?
Yep. Alright, that's good.
Coming
Take
in.
That was actually good landing.